folks.
Stay in the second lane from right.
They got car chase GPS.
Back up dangerously into traffic.
This is the big secret. I am driving home in an RV. This is going to be the new big project for the channel. And yeah, man, it's a great base for this whole project. It's pretty much a gutted RV. F350 Econoline, E350 Econoline. Something like a 20-foot box. Yeah, man, this is gonna be good. It's running like shit right now. Don't like that. So we're taking the back roads home from Nashua all the way to my shop in Walpole, Mass, with some semi-legal plates. It's about 60 miles. Just threw $40 in fuel in this pig. So let's see how she rolls. All right. Well, today we got a big day. Did a little job in the car, and now it's time for the big project. Behind me, I have a 1989 Ford Tioga Aero, made by Fleetwood right there. Thing's pretty clean. It's got 50,000 miles on it. I just brought it home last night from New Hampshire. Fun little drive. But the thing, it seems to have some bit of a fuel filter issue. It just, I couldn't keep accelerating it every time I would stay on the accelerator. It would start dying out. So that seems to be an issue for it. But right now, the biggest problem holding us back is it's filled with shit. There we are. So yeah, our kind seller left us with a whole lot of trash. As you can see, a fine selection of empty liquor bottles. Some wood flooring made into wood ceiling. Oak flooring upside down. This is the bottom of it. So I guess it's not upside down. It is right side up. It's just not the right side we want to show. We got this nice bunk area up front. So we definitely got to just clean all of this shit off of it. Nice expanded explosive battery pack right there. That's not good. That's not good. Those things look like they're about to blow. I don't even want to touch that. Ooh, my first tool belt. Look at that. It's a little kid's tool belt or some shit. Probably for a grown man, but we're gonna be nice and say it's little kids. The only thing up here that I do want is this here ladder right here. Lift this up. I'm gonna hook her. Oh, nice. Oh, classy. Oh, baby. So that's the what now. All right. Every time I see tin foil inside of a camper, I start thinking Breaking Bad style stuff. Maybe. Who knows? Gotta get a better cross breeze going on in here because it is stuffy. All right. So it does appear all these windows are working. Let's get this crank Johnny going. Alright, so I guess I gotta... Basically, we're trying to get all of that trash. Just climb out of there real quick. Trying to get all that trash into here. Perfect time to show you guys a cold start of this thing. Which, if it's as good as it was last night, should be great. She purrs. Alright. Let's go see this whole trash can situation. Man, that truck sounds so good. For a 1989, that thing runs like a cherub. Another gem found on the Facebook Marketplace. Love it. Alright, so we got our trash can. Good stuff. Now, I'm gonna get to cleaning. You guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. We got a lot to do on this thing. So, step one, cleaning this thing out, getting all the junk out. Let's go. Alright, it's time to get the outside of this thing clean. done. I'm on to the next big thing, and I'll see y'all later.